Switching to a new phone doesn't mean losing access to your Tesla. This video guides you through transferring your Tesla app, including your login, phone key, and notification settings, ensuring a seamless transition. As of December 2025, Tesla's app offers a streamlined transfer process, making it easier than ever to manage your vehicle access on a new device. The Tesla account is the central hub for all your Tesla interactions. It uses your email address and password for secure login, giving you access to your vehicles, energy products like Powerwall, and the supercharger network. This account is cloud-based, meaning your settings and data are stored securely online. The phone key is Tesla's innovative digital key system that uses Bluetooth and NFC technology. It allows you to unlock and start compatible vehicles simply by having your phone nearby, within about 9 meters. The system is end-to-end encrypted, ensuring that only authorized devices can access your vehicle. This replaces traditional physical keys for many Tesla models. Tesla notifications are tied to your account rather than your specific device. This includes important alerts like battery levels, charging status, service reminders, and trip summaries. All notifications are stored and synced through Tesla's cloud servers, ensuring you receive them on any authorized device. During transfer, these settings automatically follow your account. Before starting the transfer, ensure both your old and new phones have the latest Tesla app version, currently 4.32.x, and a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection. Back up any app-specific data if necessary to prevent loss during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth transfer and minimizes potential issues. The process may take 5 to 15 minutes, and for older vehicles, keep your physical keycard ready as a backup. Start by opening the Tesla app on your old phone. Tap the Tesla icon to launch the application. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the gear icon or Settings option in the app's main interface. In Settings, select the Account option. This is where you'll manage your account details and connected devices. If you're using Phone Key, you'll see an option to deactivate it. Select Deactivate Phone Key to disconnect the digital key from this device. Finally, log out of the Tesla app. This will clear all cached data from the old device and prevent any unauthorized access. Start by installing the Tesla app on your new phone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and ensure you have the latest version for the best compatibility. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Tesla account, email, and password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as shown here. The app will guide you through activating the phone key for your vehicle. This typically involves either scanning a QR code displayed on your car's touchscreen or confirming the activation directly through the vehicle's interface. After activating the phone key on your new phone, it's important to verify that the transfer was successful. Start by testing the phone key functionality. Approach your Tesla vehicle and attempt to unlock it using your new phone. The phone key works within approximately 9 meters of the vehicle and uses Bluetooth or NFC technology for secure access. Next, check that you're receiving notifications on your new phone. Open the Tesla app and verify that push notifications for security alerts, charging status, software updates, and other preferences are active. Finally, go to the app settings and confirm that all your configurations, such as notification preferences and account details, match what you had on your old phone. This ensures everything has transferred correctly. If the phone key unlocks your vehicle and notifications are coming through properly, your transfer is complete and successful. If you encounter problems during the transfer, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your new phone. Also confirm that your phone is within range of your Tesla vehicle, typically about 30 feet. You can check Bluetooth in your phone's settings, and if issues persist, try restarting your phone. Make sure your Tesla is awake and not in sleep mode. If the phone key doesn't activate on your new phone, use your physical key card as a backup method. Place the key card on the card reader in your Tesla to unlock it temporarily. Then repeat the activation process in the app. This might involve scanning a QR code shown on your vehicle touchscreen or confirming the setup directly. For any persistent issues that you can't resolve, contact Tesla support directly. You can reach them through the Tesla app, their website support portal, or by phone. When contacting support, provide helpful details such as your app version, phone model, Tesla model, and firmware version, and any error messages you're seeing. This will help them assist you more effectively. Security tip 1. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password, requiring a second verification step like a code sent to your phone. Security tip 2. Never share your Tesla account with others. Doing so violates Tesla's terms of service and can result in your account being suspended. Keep your login information private and secure. Follow these best practices to protect your account. Use strong, unique passwords, enable biometric login, keep your app and device updated, and regularly check for any suspicious account activity. In conclusion, the Tesla app transfer process is designed to be secure and user-friendly. By enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding account sharing, and following security best practices, you can ensure your account and vehicle access remain protected.